So, you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel. That's a great thought. Maybe you've been watching your favorite creators for years. You see them building communities, sharing their passions, and creating amazing things. You might be wondering, is there still room for me? Especially now, as we head into 2025. The platform feels bigger and more crowded than ever before. It's easy to look at the huge channels with millions of subscribers and think you've missed your chance. But I'm here to tell you that's just not the case. The opportunity on YouTube is not shrinking. It's actually evolving and growing in new and exciting ways. The landscape of YouTube has changed, that's for sure. It's no longer just about viral cat videos or shaky vlogs. Today, YouTube is a global powerhouse for education, entertainment, news, and connection. It's a search engine, a streaming service, and a social network all rolled into one powerful platform. People come to YouTube to learn how to fix a leaky faucet, to get reviews on the latest tech, to follow a fitness journey, or simply to be entertained after a long day. Your unique voice and perspective can find a home here. What makes YouTube so powerful today is its incredible reach and its sophisticated algorithm. A video you create in 2025 could still be getting views and helping people years from now. This means you don't need a massive initial audience to get discovered. If you create quality content that serves a specific need or interest, YouTube will do the work to find your audience for you. So the question isn't whether YouTube is too saturated. The real question is, how can you carve out your own space? The answer lies in authenticity and providing value. People are drawn to creators they can relate to and trust. In 2025, success on YouTube isn't about being the loudest voice in the room. It's about being the most helpful, the most interesting, or the most genuine voice for a specific group of people. Throughout this guide, we'll break down exactly how you can leverage them to build a successful channel from scratch. You might be thinking, okay, YouTube is a great platform, but why is 2025 the year to start? The reality is, there has never been a better time to be a new creator. You don't need a fancy, expensive camera setup to get started. The smartphone in your pocket right now is likely capable of shooting incredible 4K video. Free and low-cost editing software has become incredibly powerful, making the technical side of video creation less of a barrier. Beyond the tools, YouTube itself is actively encouraging new creators. Features like YouTube Shorts have created an entirely new pathway for rapid growth. This creates a powerful funnel, drawing new viewers to your main channel and your long-form videos. Another key reason why now is the perfect time to start is the evolution of monetization. Today, the pathways to earning an income are far more diverse. Channel memberships, super chats, super thanks, merchandise shelves, brand sponsorships. This means you can start building a sustainable creative career much earlier in your journey. You just need to build a loyal community that values what you create. The skills you learn along the way, video production, editing, marketing, audience engagement, are incredibly valuable in today's digital world. Don't let the fear of being late to the party hold you back. The party is bigger than ever, and there are countless new rooms opening up. Your invitation is here. The only thing you need to do is accept it and get started. Alright, let's get into the first practical step. Before you can have a YouTube channel, you need a Google account. This is the master key to the entire Google ecosystem. YouTube, Gmail, Google Drive. To start, head over to the Google account creation page. You'll be asked for some basic information. First and last name, a desired username. If this account is dedicated to your channel, consider using your channel name. For example, if you plan to start a channel called Retro Game Corner, an email like retrogamercorner@gmail.com makes perfect sense. Next, you'll be prompted to add a phone number and a recovery email address. Please do not skip these steps. This is incredibly important for your account's security. Your YouTube channel will become a valuable asset over time, and you want to protect it from being lost or hacked. Once you've filled in all the details and verified your account, that's it. Congratulations, you now have a Google account. Head over to youtube.com, click it, open the menu, and select Create a Channel. You'll be asked to upload a profile picture and choose your channel name. The name is a big decision. It's your brand. A good name is memorable, easy to spell, and gives viewers an idea of what your channel is about. YouTube will also create a handle for you. This is how people can mention you. The handle is part of your unique URL, making it easy to share. With your name, picture, and handle set, your channel is officially live. It's a blank canvas, ready for you to paint on. Take a moment to click around your new channel dashboard. This is your mission control center. You'll be spending a lot of time here as you grow. An empty channel feels like an empty store. To attract visitors, you need to dress it up and make it look inviting. This is where your channel branding comes in, your profile picture, and your channel banner art. Think of it as a billboard for your channel. Use free tools like Canva. Place important info in the central safe area to ensure it's visible on all devices. Finally, the About tab. Write a clear channel description, include relevant keywords, and add links to your social profiles or website. It completes your branding and turns a blank channel into a destination. Now that your channel is set up, we arrive at one of the most critical decisions you'll make: choosing your niche. This is the specific topic or area that your channel will focus on. Viewers subscribe because they want more of what they just watched. If they subscribe for a gaming video and get a cooking tutorial next, they get confused. Think of it this way. YouTube is a massive library. Your niche is your aisle. It helps the YouTube algorithm understand who your content is for. The more specific you are, the less competition you face, and the easier it is to stand out. So how do you find your niche? Start by listing out your interests, passions, and skills. The perfect niche for you lies at the intersection of these three circles. It's a topic you are passionate about, have some level of skill or expertise in, and for which there is an existing audience or demand. First, passion. This is non-negotiable. Your genuine love for the subject is what will carry you through. Next, skill or expertise. It simply means you have some knowledge or experience that provides value. You can also position yourself as a learner. Finally, and crucially, demand. Use the YouTube search bar. Start typing in keywords. Look at other channels in your potential niche. Are they getting views? Once you've locked in your niche, try to come up with at least 10 to 20 initial ideas. This strategy, often called the skyscraper technique, is about finding what's popular and creating something even better. Another powerful method is to think about the problems and questions your target audience has. These are real people telling you exactly what content they want to see. Finally, organize your ideas into different content formats or series. This helps add variety to your channel and encourages binge watching. With your niche defined and a solid list of video ideas, you're no longer just thinking about starting a channel. You're actively planning for its success. It's time to actually create your first video. We can simplify it by breaking the structure into three core parts: hook, content, and CTA. The first part, the hook. You have about 5 to 15 seconds to convince a new viewer to stick around. A strong hook clearly states the value proposition. After you've hooked your viewer, transition into the main content. Provide value clearly and concisely. Keep your energy up and speak directly to the audience. Finally, end with a clear call to action. A good CTA is specific and gives the viewer a reason to act. In 2025, the best camera for a beginner is the one you already have in your pocket. Simplicity is your friend. First, stability. No one enjoys watching shaky footage. A simple, inexpensive tripod for your smartphone will make a world of difference. Next, lighting. The best and cheapest light source is free the sun. Try filming in front of a large window with natural light hitting your face. Finally, let's address audio. Viewers are often more forgiving of mediocre video quality than they are of bad audio. A simple lavalier microphone will dramatically improve your sound quality. The goal of editing isn't just to cut out mistakes, it's to shape the story. Trim out long pauses, trim out mistakes. Be ruthless, use on-screen text. Add B-roll that relates to your topic. Don't forget about music and sound effects. Your early edits don't need to be perfect. Focus on tight cuts, visual variety, and good sound, and you'll create videos that are far more engaging. Creating a great video is only half the battle. Now you need to make sure people can actually find it. This is where YouTube SEO comes into play. Start with the YouTube search bar itself. Begin typing a phrase. Those suggestions are a goldmine showing exactly what your audience wants. A great title should include your main target keyword near the beginning and create curiosity or clearly state the video's value. If your title is the headline, your thumbnail is the cover of the book that makes them want to open it. Use bright, contrasting colors. Include a high-quality, expressive image. Add a small amount of large, easy-to-read text. Your video's description is another crucial piece of the SEO puzzle. The first 2 or 3 sentences are the most important. Don't forget about tags. What happens after they click is what truly matters. These interactions are called engagement signals. Replying to comments is also incredibly important. You build a community and show the algorithm your channel is active. The single most important metric for the YouTube algorithm is watch time. A high audience retention rate tells the algorithm your video is holding attention. Now let's talk about the exciting part, making money. To qualify to make money, you have to first join the YouTube partner program called the YPP, and you need to meet some eligibility requirements. But YPP offers more than just ad revenue. Being a partner unlocks alternative monetization features. One of the most powerful growth hacks is collaboration. Leverage other platforms, mastering YouTube Shorts. It might feel like a mountain of information, but starting a YouTube channel in 2025 is more accessible than ever. Your first video won't be your best. Successful creators didn't start as experts. They became experts by doing. They improved with every upload. The journey of 1,000 subscribers begins with a single video. Your goal right now is to begin, not be perfect. Hold on to that reason, it's your fuel. An audience is waiting for your unique voice. The time for dreaming is over. It's time to create. Your YouTube journey for 2025 starts now. I can't wait to see what you build. Good luck, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and of course like and share this video if you found the content useful. Thank you.